Welcome back to my channel, Sakapet. This is Tracy of Frugally T, and for today's video I will be doing coconut curry shrimp in plantain cups. Ready to see how I made this dish and how it came out? Keep looking. Anwale. Guys, and today I will be making coconut curry shrimp in plantain cups. Now for this recipe you will need a lemon squeezer. I got this on Amazon for I think $5.99. I'll place the link. I also have 2 green plantains. I have the Chief's curry powder, which is my favorite curry powder. Coconut milk. Some edible. Some Maggi. Okay, Goya, you need to sponsor your girl. I mean, I have your products right here. Reach out to your girl. I have some shrimp that I had left over. Now, this is the cooked shrimp. I buy these for my son. I get them from Walmart. So it's already cooked and peeled. The tail is just on. It's medium and you get 41 to 60 shrimp. Have some green seasonings, which is parsley, celery, and chive, otherwise known as green onions. I also have some chopped bell peppers. I have some grated garlic and some chopped onions. Also have some oil right here. Now you can use any type of oil you want. If you want to use vegetable oil, corn oil, avocado oil, olive oil, it's up to you. Whatever your preference is. So oil. I place it in the palm of my hand. Okay, so I'm going to spray this with vegetable oil. It's just the Great Value brand of vegetable oil. And now I'm going to use it to mash this. Now I'm going to place it in this side. In the middle, and then mash. See, it's in the shape of a cup. It comes off. Place it facing down on the board. So it's in the center. Out. You can see them now. I place them face down. Now I'm gonna put the stove back on high, the heat back on high, and continue to get it